Before anything, we usually tell people that we are a farm. Without the farm, none of the rest of it exists. We were established in 2006. The idea was to kind of have something for everyone here. There's no shortage of work. The Landa pressure washer cleans almost everything on the property. Sidewalks and driveways, all of the farm equipment, almost anything you can see. At harvest time, everything gets cleaned probably 3 or 4 times a day. We generally process around 200 tons of grapes. That's just an enormous amount of sticky juice. Anything that handles those grapes, that Landa unit is running full blast. I get peace of mind because if I assign a task to someone to clean, I know I've given them the right tool to really accomplish the task. We have a great relationship with Kempner equipment. With the Landa units, they get used and abused, and so they require preventative maintenance. And then they also take care of us if we need additional accessories or if a piece breaks. I call them, they come out, the issue's solved. That kind of customer service is hard to come by nowadays, so we really appreciate that. We asked other wineries, other breweries, what unit are you guys using that really holds up to the abuse? The most common answer was Landa.